Hello and welcome back to week 4, ladies and gentlemen. We are in Biology B, and this week we're looking at succession and climate. So we're going to take a look at today's lesson, lesson 1 for week 4, on succession. So starting in Google Classroom, um, I'd like you to find the Google Doc that's attached to Tuesday's agenda for succession. In the Google Doc, you each should have your own copy of the Google Doc here so that you can complete it right in the doc when it loads. So if you click here on the hyperlink, it will load your Google Doc, and this is the document we're working in for this week, week 4, lesson 1 on succession. So we've got a video from YouTube hyperlinked in here to watch the video on ecological succession and how that works, and answer some of these questions down below about plants and organisms and secondary succession. Once you complete those 7 questions for part 2, please watch the video link down here underneath part 2 about how wolves change rivers. This one, we're going with a CER type format, or claims, evidence, reasoning format, like you did previously with one of the reading assignments that we had. So answering the question based on the video after you watch it: how did the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park affect the park? Then we have our claim. Find evidence to support this claim in the video that the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone National Park provided many positive impacts on both biotic living and abiotic non-living factors in the park's ecosystem. List your evidence you hear about in the video from some of these, and then reasoning, write a paragraph below, including the claim and the evidence in your paragraph. Remember, the claim was that the reintroduction of wolves to Yellowstone Park provided many positive impacts on both biotic and abiotic factors in the ecosystem. And then tell about the positive impacts in your paragraph. And then you should be able to submit this back into the Google Classroom when you get it completed. And that will complete your requirements for today's lesson on succession. So if you have any questions on this, please feel free to reach out via email or remind. I'll get back to you. Hope it goes well, and I'll look forward to talking with you in lesson 2 on climate.